Welcome to this special report on the recent Maui wildfires, an unprecedented tragedy that has shaken the island and the entire nation. I'm Josh, and in this video, we'll delve into the heart-wrenching events and the aftermath of the deadliest wildfire disaster in modern U.S. history. The Maui wildfires have left a trail of destruction, claiming the lives of at least 93 people. This horrifying toll makes it the deadliest wildfire disaster in U.S. history. With nearly 3,000 buildings destroyed, federal emergency workers are tirelessly searching through the ruins, accompanied by cadaver dogs, in their grim task. The scale of devastation is overwhelming, and our reporters on the ground continue to bring us the latest updates. As the fires continue to burn, thousands who have lost their homes are attempting to salvage anything they can from the rubble, from precious family photos to beloved pets. However, some areas remain inaccessible due to ongoing searches and smoldering fires. The reality of this disaster is stark, with communities trying to recover from the aftermath of the deadliest U.S. wildfire in a century. FEMA has sprung into action, deploying over 150 workers to assist in the recovery efforts across the island. The fire's toll on structures is staggering, damaging more than 2,200 and scorching over 2,100 acres of land. Amidst the devastation, stories of survival emerge. One survivor, Annalise Cochran, recounts how she escaped the flames by jumping into the ocean, clinging to a wall for more than 7 hours. As anger simmers, some residents express frustration with the local government, claiming they received insufficient warning. Authorities respond, acknowledging the complexity of the situation due to the speed and intensity of the fires. As the island grapples with the aftermath, the local community is reaching out for more help and support. The magnitude of this disaster has left many victims unidentified, underscoring the urgency for assistance. This tragedy has left Maui scarred, its landscape altered, and its people grappling with profound loss. As investigations continue into the causes and responses to this unprecedented disaster, our hearts go out to the victims and their families. Stay tuned for more updates on this ongoing situation. Thank you for joining us for this report. To stay informed about this and other news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Business and Finance Plus for breaking news alerts. Thank you for watching.